Checky, checky, check. Mic check. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Power Hour. Power Hour. It's all going off. It's all going off. So we want to briefly look at, let me just get set up here because this could be disastrous. Let me pop out the old chatteroony in case anybody's dropping by. Pop that up there, I can see it then. We can see what is going on. So, what is happening in the market for Power Hour today, the 15th of March, 2021. First, let's have a look at what's gone on with AMC today. So, some things on the chart today, a really good kick off the beginning. I put a Fibonacci on here. We had a good pullback, a healthy pullback, 50%, and we kicked on from there. We did test the resistance at 1409. We broke through briefly, set a high of the day at 1437 early on. It did get higher, and then we dipped back below that 1409. We had a nice double bottom here, which gave us another kick up to the 1409 resistance area, and we bounced back off that, but we did manage to hold the trend line. We again tested the resistance at the 1409 area. We managed to punch through that and punch through the next level at 1425, and that's where it started to get a little bit interesting, because if you look here, you can see this area here was a real battle. So we tested the resistance, we punched through it, we got some big candles, a nice hammer candle there, and then we got a little bit of a sell-off, and then this pattern here, the evening star pattern. It's the evening star pattern, and I'll be doing a video on that. So keep an eye out for that, but generally it's a bearish reversal. And sure enough, bosh, there we went. All the way back down to around 1393 area. Bit of a brutal sell-off there. Then we started to see some bullish patterns. We did test the resistance again and failed as part of that sell-off. Then we saw a couple of, or three, bullish patterns, and again I will go through these in a different video. So a bullish engulfing candle, a bullish engulfing pattern, and a bullish hammer, which again saw us push back up to the 1425 area. We rejected that again. We kind of sat around the 1409. We've now dipped below there, and we've taken a massive stonk there, look. So you can see it quite clearly. There we go. A bit of a sell-off there. But we are rebounding quite nicely back up into 1483 area. So overall, 23% up for the day. Would you complain at that? Absolutely not. I know I wouldn't. It could have been better. Of course it could. And we're not finished yet. We still have around 50 minutes until the close. So all in all, technically speaking, an interesting day from, looking at a chart perspective. Oh, get rid of that. So, it is what it is. Volume-wise, we are above the 10-day average, so 247 million. Not looking too bad. At least the volume's coming back, and that is reflected in the price action for today. So that's the chart up to now. We shall mark the finish line, which we do here. Where are we? There's the finish line for today. So we will see what happens. Personally, if we can finish in that channel here, 1334 to 1409, I think that is a good area to be finishing. It's, it will be up overall for the day. Bit of a different story on GME, I'm afraid to say. It has not been a very strong day for GME at all. We have not really tested any of the upper areas that we've seen On previous days, we did get this huge drop here. We've kind of consolidated sideways and we've had another drop here. We are clawing our way back, currently at 233. We have been, so that area there around 225, is that a new area of support maybe? We shall put the line in there. We'll call that a new area of support. But overall down 12% there or thereabouts. So interesting to see what will happen in the last 45 minutes of trading or so. Bit of a hodgepodge. I mean, tomorrow, okay, we are on SSR tomorrow, so there will be some protection. Some might say it's a good buying opportunity. You know, it's come right down. So if you were looking to get in, you guys across the pond, across the Atlantic there in America, looking where to spend your $1,400, maybe it's represented a good opportunity for you. Who knows? Who knows? That's not my decision to make. I am not a financial advisor. So, all in all, I guess you would say a good day for AMC, a very good day for AMC. Not such a good day for GME thus far. Why is that? Is there something in it? Really not sure, to be honest. I'm really not sure why that would be, why that's happened. But it is what it is. It is what it is, and you take it for what it is. Again, I say it every day. If somebody woke you up this morning and said, there's 24%, Mark, you happy with that? You betcha I am. You bet your bottom dollar I am. Thank you very much. So we'll see what happens. We shall see. I bought some more GME today. I bought another 8 GME today. I'm undecided whether to, I bought them on the dip, so I'm undecided whether to hold them or, you know, cash out at the end of the day and then go back to my original holding and see, you know, and then just keep the money ready just in case, you know, there's another opportunity. It's a tough one. It's a tough one to read because you just can't, it can go just like that. We've seen it. We've seen it before. It just goes and it goes on its own. Remember when we were at 40 and all of a sudden we were at 90, you know, doubled, more than doubled in the space of 15, 20 minutes or whatever it was. We shall see. We shall see what the stock gods serve us. Huh? So if you are new here and you're just passing by, do me a favour, hit the subscribe button down there and join us as we try to build the channel. We are so close to our first milestone of 100 subscribers. We are nearly there. And we'd really appreciate your support in getting us there. So do hit subscribe and do join us on the journey as we grow the channel, trading, traveling and training. Generally looking at the stock market, Volkswagen Transporter 6.1 conversion and cycling. So if any of those subjects interest you, please subscribe, hit the notification button and give us a thumbs up. Get us on that YouTube front page. Back to AMC, bit of a push back up now. Continuing that little line there. We'll get rid of that and we'll put a proper trend line in and then it's easier to follow. Again, it's not exact, but it gives you a good idea. It's for information purposes only, not to be taken as an absolute. So we'll see, this is getting a little bit close here. We're getting close to a death cross. You have the golden cross and the death cross. We got an example. Let's have a look over previous days. There you go, golden cross. When the 50-day moving average moves above the 200-day moving average, generally a bullish indicator. And you can see from that point we did actually pick up a head of steam. Death cross, there's one, generally a bearish indicator. And as you can see from there, we did actually drop off a little bit. I've just started doing some videos on candlestick patterns. So if you're interested in that, I did the first one yesterday and we were looking at the basic composition of a candlestick, what it looks like and what its different components are. So if you want to learn a little bit about candlesticks, please do subscribe and hit the notification button and you'll get told when we're putting a new video up. That's technology for you. You don't even need to come back and check. You'll get a little notification that says Mark's done a new video. Go and check him out. Still climbing on AMC. So we are happy with that. GME, not so much so. We are falling again, currently sitting around the 230 area. That is just no volume. There is just no volume. But look at that, 18 million. The average is 60 over 10 days. Anyway, stocks go up, stocks go down. We can't have it always, all days. That's not how it works, kids. That is not how it works. I'm wondering if there's something in this AMC rocketing and GME plummeting. What are they saying on Reddit? Daily discussion chat, look. We'll refresh that. Let's see if anybody's saying anything on Reddit. Has Roaring Kitty tweeted again then? Let's have a look. Let's go on Twitter. Huh? Interesting. Where are we? Dipping again. We're testing that support again on GME. Oh boy. Bounced off it nicely there again, look. So, not too concerned. Ah, now we're breaking it. Now we're breaking through. Now we are breaking through. We're sat right to bang on 225. 225. We need to push back up above there. See if we can hold that support. 35 minutes until the close. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. So we've punched right down there. That's strong, that. That's strong. Because we pushed all the way back up. We've got a nice bullish hammer there. A nice bullish hammer. So there's obviously people waiting down there to buy. Gobbling them up. AMC now pushing back up towards that $14 area. You see, we had a bit of a break below there as well. Same time. This is a game of chess, man. It's a game of chess. Who's going to win? Let's see. Oh, here's my mate. Hello, Squirrel. Hey, how you doing? Good to see you, buddy. I'm sat here talking to myself again. It's all good. It's all good. Go on, $14. Touch $14 again. Let's see if we can punch through. GME's had a nice little recovery from that 225 area. That's pushed back up again. That's encouraging. We've got, what, 30 minutes left. Let's hope it's a 30-minute rocket ship to the moon. Yeah, not too bad, Squirrel. Not good for AMC, not so good for GME, but we are. I mean, not that we should get too excited about it, but we've activated SSR for tomorrow. So, you know, every cloud. We're not going to be attacked as much tomorrow. And it is what it is. But 25% up on AMC, you can't sniff at that, mate. You can't sniff at that. Nobody can. Touching $14 again, look. Pushing through now. Pushing through. We need to get back above that 1409 area and see if we can establish it, really establish it as support. We've been dancing with it too long now. But if we get a nice little push into the finish, anything can happen. It's all to play for. Stimmy is pending. Oh, you're nearly there, Squirrel. You're nearly there, my man. You're nearly there, son. There you go, 1409, 1410. Let's push back. Let's keep going. There we go. Let's keep it up there. $230 on GME. Such low volume. Not even 20 million. Not even half of the 10-day average. And it's dropped 12.5%. It's madness. It's madness. How's the weather where you are, mate? I was out for a run today. It's a really, really nice spring day here. It was about 12 degrees outside. Celsius, not Fahrenheit that you guys do. We do Celsius. Stagnating, GME. It's stagnating, look. AMC's dancing with that resistance line again. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. There's another one. 5. There's loads. Big resistance, that. We had the Fibonacci's out this morning. Squirrel, look, doing a little bit of Fibonacci retracement from that kicker this morning. And it did. It retraced back exactly 50%, which is beautiful. You want it in this area for a pullback. And then it went. Perfect setup. A perfect technical setup. We just need a strong close now. It'd be nice to finish. If finish in this area, I'd be happy with that. Let's see what happens towards the end of the day. But they've had a few goes at it today. There. That sell off there. That sell off there. Big drop there. You know, they've been trying to chip away at it, and it just seems like it's been getting bought up again. So the strength, it seems. $14.17 on AMC, 235 on GME. We've got a push happening. We've got a bit of a push going on, look. This takes so long to refresh because it's showing 233 on my other screen. So it's showing on this one. $233. Oh, it's come back on now. It's come back online. 232. 232 on GME. I thought I'd block that guy. Really? It's all gone a bit stale as we come into the close. Yeah, it's yeah. We should have lumped on there, Squirrel, 3 weeks ago. We'd have made a fortune. We'd have made a fortune. You've got some there, yeah, I think. Did you say you'd got some in there? It's doing well, man. Slow and steady wins the race. When did we first look at it? About 2 weeks ago or something? 3 weeks ago, maybe. I think, what was it? $13 or something? $15? Something like that. I think it was less than that, wasn't it? GME is struggling, man, to get any momentum at all today. At least with AMC, it's been, it's been up all day pretty much. Well, yeah. If you look at it across the course of the day. You look at that, really, it's not bad. It's, it's slow and steady. So really anywhere around that area. 1386 would be a good finish, I guess. Let's see. Hey, 5 is 5, Squirrel. You're winning. You're winning, mate. That's all that matters. It's 5 more than I've got. 14.47. Good. 15, 16, 17. There you go, man. $3 up per share. A win is a win, Squirrel. A win is a win, mate. That GME dropping again. Just no momentum there at all today. Really. No volume. No volume. Look at that. Death cross right there. And it's continued all day. Interesting. 20 minutes to the close. 23%, man. There you go. You cannot argue with that, brother. You cannot argue with that. I can't buy it on my brokerage on eToro. It won't let me buy it. It's not on there. And I think I said before, my UK broker, they charged like, it cost me like $30 to get in, just in fees and foreign exchange. So, you know, I already give them enough money with every transaction. So I'm a bit loath to as soon as this AMC's done, because I've only got AMC left in there at the moment. And as soon as that's run its course, I'm taking all my money out of that brokerage because the fees are just too much. It's ridiculous. You're paying $30, $40 every time you want to put a trade. And it's not just when you open it, neither. It's when you close it as well. So you got your double whammy. You know, you're $60 just to do a trade. And when you're at the level I'm at, and you know, you're only chasing a few dollars here and there. It's harsh, really harsh. Yeah, the thing is, Squirrel, some of the platforms some of the trading platforms, they have restricted access, so you can't get access to all the stocks. So, you know, I mean, on eToro, you can't buy AMC. I don't know why, but it's not even on there. I have to buy it on another app. So I've got 3 brokerages at the moment. Well, one's a banking app that lets you do investing. I was reading about Webull in Europe, and it says they've got no plans to come here. I think it's too heavily regulated here, and they said that there's too much competition. So GME sitting under that 230, that is terrible. I mean, that's I say it's terrible. It's not bad, but you know, what's AMC doing? That's pushing back up to that resistance area, look. There. Just doesn't want to get through it, does it, and sustain it. Maybe we're going to be surprised in the last 15 minutes. Any harsh rules or tax on cryptos? No, you can trade it openly enough. There's plenty of exchanges where you can buy it. Obviously, you pay tax on your gains. But I don't see any anti-crypto news, really. I think Bitcoin's been affected today because India said they might ban them. They might ban cryptocurrencies for some reason. Sundial, 14% today, yeah? That's not bad. Again, I don't think it's one I can buy. Let me have a look. I'm sure it isn't because I've looked for it before. Can't buy it. Let me check if I can buy it from my other broker that charges. I probably can. Let me see. Where are we? Action. Nope. Search. There we go. Sundial. Yeah, I can buy it. I can buy it on the exchange that I can buy it on the exchange that charges me a fortune. So, you know, I'd have to buy I'd have to buy 1,000 or something like that, 1,500, just to make it worth the fees, you know, which is a pain in the backside. Weed stock's looking good. I've got two on this one, I think. OGI, that's just up, and then that other one, A something. I must have deleted it. ACB. ACB, is it? I think. I must have deleted it. Yeah, that one. How's that doing? Wow, yeah, that's up 5%. Stick that back up there, look, with the old cannabis stocks. So what we're doing, 1405 on AMC and 220. Oh, you've got some ACB. Good man. You see, I could buy that. I could buy that and I can buy OGI on eToro. I was in them for a while, but now my money's all tied up in Game, AMC, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and BioCrystal. This one. This is a good one for me, Squirrel, at the minute. This is another steady burner. 7.5% up today. I've added a few more today. $225. We're dancing with that line again, look. We've dropped below it. That does not look good. There you go. That does not look good. That does not look promising. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh man. Look at this. We're going for it again. A rough day. A rough day on GME. Needs something, mate, doesn't it? It needs something. Let's see. What can we do here? Let's see what we got in Ethereum. Take some out. They're really trying, aren't they? How much further is it going to come down? There we go. Can they do this all the way to the finish? That's the question. Wow. Oh boy. Woohoo! Holy shamoly, bye. Holy shamoly. I got some more squirrel. I got 5 more at 211. I'm just going to play it till the end of the day and see what happens. That was too good to miss, I think. Oh, man. This is brutal. Yeah, me too, buddy. It looks, yeah, it's on sale, man. I just, I guess I'm just offsetting. Jeez, look at this. I pulled the trigger too early. Let's see. Let's see where it takes us. 7 minutes. The saving grace is there's tomorrow. SSR tomorrow. There we go. Come on, baby. Push. Push, push, push. Yeah, there's a lot in the melting pot, Squirrel. You're absolutely right, mate. There's a lot of catalyst, so we'll see. I would just like a strong close tonight just to give me a bit of confidence going back into tomorrow. Because I've opened 3 new positions today. 2 of them are red. So, I mean, overall, when you look at my, profit and loss, but you don't want to be averaging up too much, which is what I've done a little bit. I've got a little bit ahead of myself. AMC pushing on again. That's doing well. That's holding strong. Had another bit of a sell-off. Same look, same. But it's managed to push its way back up. So let's hope GameStop can do the same. At least what we got left, 5 minutes. Yeah, still in AMC, mate. Still in AMC. I've got just under 500 in AMC. I've collected them over time. I had to average down because I bought in too high, so I've been averaging down. But I'm all right. I'm in the black. I'm in the black on AMC, so I'm not stressing that one. GME, I'm not stressing really. I mean, look, we're at 215 now. So those 5 that I bought at 211, we're back in the green. See how strong the push is into the last couple of minutes. $216, $217. Here we go, 218. Get us back up to that 225 area. I don't think it will, but it would be nice. Yeah, I think everyone's been the same, Scribble, especially with the last couple of weeks, mate. It's been pretty brutal the way it's been hammered. We had those red days, didn't we? Red day, red day, red day. It was horrible. I want to keep this pushing, man, into the close. Look, it's not strong enough. It's not strong enough. 2 minutes left. Volume's terrible. Not even half, look. AMC doing all right. $14. So we're going to finish in that area, look, where we marked it. It's followed that trend line, a little bit of a push below there. AMC on a bit of a push now. 216, 217. 217. $218. That's better. 219. Showing on that screen. We're in the last minute, Squirrel. We're in the last minute, and we're just at 219 and a half, nearly 220 on GME. So those 5 I picked up at 211 wasn't too bad. So we've got a few seconds left. 219, 220. Yes, 221. Good. Good. Go on, push into the close. Push, keep pushing. Few seconds left. Last few seconds. 220 on GME. That'll do. That will do. We're not too bad overall now. There we go. That's your lot for today. Let's see what we get in the close, in the after hours. Although we don't tend to take much notice here after that. So, quick recap. AMC 25% up for the day, finishing at 14.02. Not a bad day at all. GME down 16.5% for the day, finishing at 220 and 75. SSR in effect tomorrow for GME, so that will bring some relief. Hopefully we can start pushing back up to where we belong. And yes, Squirrel, my long-term companion here, has just reminded me SSR and Stymie coming up tomorrow. So people are going to start getting that money in their banks, and will they put it into the market? Let's see. Very interesting. So all in all, it's balanced itself out today. Overall, my portfolio is 10% up. If you put GME and AMC together, those two stocks, I mean BCRX as well, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, you know, not too bad overall. We're sitting pretty. We're making money, which is what we like to see. So that's it for today, folks. If you're watching this after the live event, then please do hit the subscribe button down there. Give us a thumbs up, give us a follow, help us grow the channel. We are so close to 100 subscribers. We need one little last push from you beautiful people out there to get us over the line. Okay, troops, wherever you are in the world, stay safe, take care of each other, and catch you next time. Cheers, troops.